Hey, I got this PTZ security camera. It's an outdoor security cam. It's got a Siren and Spotlight, weatherproof. It's got night vision. I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and demo on this thing. This guy sent this to me to do just that. All right, here's what this thing comes with. It's got the manual in there, some mounting screws. This is a template, so you know where to put your screws. That way it'll fit back in there. Look at this thing. Now, it's got a permanently attached USB to it with a plug-in. This is how I'll be using this thing. So, you know, it'll need to be consistently powered up. You can just plug it into an outdoor outlet. You can use it for an indoor cam. You can use it for on your part of your computer. It's cool looking too. So on the very top of this thing, this is where your SD card's gonna go. You're gonna need to, that doesn't come with it. You're gonna need to buy one separately if you want to be able to save history, your video history. And then this is the side that opens up, this tab here. So it gets recessed down in there quite a bit. It might be hard to tell which side opens up, but that's the side right there. The important button in there is the reset button. So SD card and reset button. On the back of it there, that's the speaker. This camera runs off the Cloud Edge app, so you're going to need to download the Cloud Edge app, and then what you'll do is you'll scan the QR code according to what kind of phone you have. So it's either Apple or Android. Once you do that, it's really easy. It'll take you through the steps on how to register your account. This will be the third camera that I have on that Cloud Edge. You can run all three cameras at the same time. You can run you know, it'll even label them for you as far as what room, or, you know, if you got them in the yard. You can, the Cloud Edge app is really good as far as being able to show what cameras for what. Now we'll go ahead and plug it into a power source. Nice thing about these, they come with a really long cord. You can see now that I've got it plugged in, there's the light, and then that's the operating light. That just lets me know it's plugged in. The Wi-Fi network, it does not work with 5G. You need to use 2.4 gigahertz. Just a quick tip here too, as far as the Wi-Fi network, if your 2.4 isn't showing up, sometimes, I mean, it's helped me to restart my modem. Now, what you want to do is you'll log into the Cloud Edge, and then you'll tap the plus icon in the center, and then you'll tap camera to add the device. Okay, this is important too, because this could be a stopping point for you, but you click the positive, the plus sign up there, and then you'll click on add device, right? That's kind of your initial setup. But what happens too is if you already have a couple of these on your Cloud Edge software, notice over here it has battery camera, it has doorbell camera. What you're going to want to do for this model in particular, this is going to be power plug camera. So you're going to come down and select that, and then you'll be able to click on next and get the device added. So, you know, for me, I have a couple, like I said, a couple of battery cameras already. And then, you know, at first you're stuck on this. You're going, hey, it's not showing up. But you have to click the right one over here and click power plug camera for this one. If you have another kind and it's a battery powered camera, you'll stick with that one. This thing is really cool. So it tells you to take it to the place of location, and it'll do a diagnostic. So after you get it set up, you take it to the place where you're gonna have it set up close there. Make sure that the camera will talk to the Wi-Fi. That's the diagnostic. And then you push next, and it'll go through those steps. It's real easy. You can have this thing set up in like 5 minutes. That blue light there shows you that this thing is operational and it's recording. So I'll take some recordings showing you the quality that you get. You know, for mounting it, it's fine to use that template. Go ahead and use that. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sink a couple screws right in there. The screws that come with it. All right, we'll take that little piece of paper off, that little tag there. Come all the way down, all the way up. You can have it here, there, just depending on what you want to capture. So, hey guys, a couple of last things to mention here. This thing has an intercom function, so you press the intercom button in your Cloud Edge app on when you select the camera, and you can speak. And this thing has a nice loud speaker. Probably one of the coolest functions on this is that the PTZ So when you click on the PTZ button on your Cloud Edge app, you can move this camera from your phone, and it'll actually move up and down however you do it, or side to side. It's like robotic, mechanical. You ought to get one of these. I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching.